Here's where you can go to view the total call time of your Samsung phone app. Let's get started. Before I continue, this is available for Samsung phones with Android 12, Android 13, and Android 14. This is the S23 Ultra with Android 14. So first, go into the Samsung phone app itself, and of course, you'll need to be using the Samsung phone app to view this information, and you want to go into the Recents view mode here. This is where you can see all your recent call history logs, and if you want to see the total call time here, you'll tap on the three dots here. Once in this section here, you'll see total call time. Tapping on that one time here is going to show you the different types of calls you made, and it'll break it down for you. So you got most recent calls, and of course you got outgoing calls, which is the calls that you yourself have made. Then you got incoming calls, which is the calls that people call you. That's going to total up for you. And then you got all the calls here. So it's going to add up these three different calls in total, which is outgoing, incoming, and then it's going to show you the total amount. And then when you're ready to remove this sort of information, because you don't want no one to know how many calls you've been making or how long you've been on the phone, be sure to hit that reset option here, and it's going to clear it out for you. Like and sub.